Here we have AP calculus AB problem. Okay, let's go to the information. Find f prime of x if f of x equals to ln, that is natural logarithm of 2x negative 3. Okay, here we have a function f of x and we have to find the first derivative of this function, that is f prime of x. And this ln over here is a logarithm, particularly natural logarithm. Okay, now, so to answer this question, first let's have the derivative of a natural logarithm. Let me consider natural logarithm of x. So what is its derivative? So whenever we have natural logarithm of x, its derivative is just 1 over. So whatever stuff we have over here at the place of argument of the logarithm has to be taken in denominator. So the derivative of ln x is just 1 over x. And also we can use this stuff to get derivative of a logarithm only if the given logarithm is a natural logarithm. In case natural logarithm means it's a logarithm with base e. If there is any other logarithm like other than base e, so we cannot use the stuff what I've explained over here to get the derivative. Anyway, so in our problem we have natural logarithm only, so we can use this stuff to get derivative of this function. Okay, now let me write the given function as it is. That is f of x equals to natural logarithm of 2x negative 3. Okay, now let me get the derivative of this one. That is f prime of x equals to. So whenever I want to get the derivative of natural logarithm of x, as I said over here, I have to take a 1 in numerator, and whatever stuff we have, the argument of the logarithm should be taken in denominator. So here the argument is 2x negative 3. So that we have to take exactly in denominator. So 1 over 2x negative 3. Okay, now I got the derivative of this natural logarithm. So now what I have to do is by chain rule, I have to further derivative of the expression we have an argument of the logarithm. So how do you have to get derivative of this one? Okay, let's do this one separately. So now my aim is to get the derivative of this 2x negative 3. Actually, f of x is a function of x. Since it is a function of x, we can find derivative of this function f of x only with respect to the variable x. So here, let's consider the derivative of 2x negative 3. So when I consider the first term 2x over here, the constant 2 is multiplied by the variable x. So when I find derivative of a product where a constant is multiplied by the variable, so what I have to do is I have to keep the constant as it is, and I have to get the derivative of the variable alone. So here when I find the derivative of this x with respect to x, it will become 1. Negative, the derivative of the constant 3 is 0. So 2 times 1 is 2, 2 negative 0 is 2. So now I got the derivative of the argument of the logarithm 2x negative 3. So the derivative of this 2x negative 3 is 2. Okay, already I got the derivative for the natural logarithm. So I wrote 1 in numerator, and whatever stuff I have in argument, it has to be done in denominator. I have completed this. So by chain rule, I have to do for the derivative of this 2x negative 3. I got the derivative of 2x negative 3. So that is just 2, so times 2, so which is the derivative of the argument. Okay, now so we can multiply this 1 and 2. 1 times 2 is 2, so we get f prime of x equals to 1 times 2 is 2 over 2x negative 3. Now I got the derivative of the given function f of x, that is f prime of x equals to 2 over 2x negative 3.